Hey brats! So today I have a very special package. I just started my first year of college, so INFLUENSTER decided to send me a huge package of back to school VOXBOX goodies, and they did give me a list of all the things that were in there, but I decided for fun I wasn't gonna look, so I have no idea what's in here. But the first thing that I did notice is that this is incredibly heavy. Like, it has some weight to it. So it says it's just for you with a cute little smile and the INFLUENSTER logos, and there's the name and the stars. I think they always do a really good job with their design, but apparently there's something liquid in here. So I'm gonna open this up with some scissors. Unboxing vibes. Okay. I have to sit this down. Holy crap, there's so much cool stuff in here. Okay, let's read what they said first. So we've got a cute little thing from Smash cereal that's got all their little different flavors, and you can pause and read this if you would like. By the way, I'm not sponsored or anything. This is all sent to me for free. All I have to do is just give my real opinion, write a review, use the app, you should download it, and it's a really great community. First item that's catching my eye is this L'Oreal. It's called The Gloss. It's a super lustrous, and this is the shade Pink Obsession Rose. So you can see this is what it looks like. And I brought my mirror so you can see what I look like, and I can apply this. I'm just gonna do that real quick. Let me zoom you in. Let me take my lip ring out. Here's what the little focus. Here's what the little applicator looks like. It's got a cute little doe foot. And I'm just gonna, first of all, doesn't smell like anything, which is nice. This is really thick, which I actually prefer in a gloss, because it means that it's not gonna disappear after 2 seconds. But it's not sticky. Yeah, there's no like stickiness or anything like that. I mean, you kind of feel like you're wearing a gloss, but it doesn't. And look at that color. Wow, okay, I really like this. So the next thing I'm seeing here is this, like, look how adorable that is. Oh my god. So I've got this out of its cute little wrapper, which, like, I feel bad throwing away because it's, like, adorable. But here's what it looks like. It just kind of just looks like a regular little bar. And here's my coffee in my adorable mug, which is my favorite of all time. This does smell very strongly of strawberry, almost in like a artificial candy kind of strawberry, but it's not bad. I like it. So yeah, strawberries and cream, I'm definitely getting that. So this is gonna be my breakfast, which is not the healthiest. Don't do what I do and eat nothing all day. The next thing is this deep cleansing astringent. Dickinson's. It has witch hazel in it. Oh, yeah, it smells good. I personally love the smell of witch hazel. I know some people are against it, but it's my favorite. Put some on a cotton ball. Ooh, yeah, you can see some dirt there. It's like there's white, there's oil. That's kind of gross. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is it's this Shea Moisture. I mean, first of all, just look at how beautiful this bottle is. I mean, it's gorgeous. Like, wow. It's a shimmering coconut oil body lotion with I can't pronounce that.
Acacia.
Basically, it has coconut milk in it. It's fair trade shea butter, and it's really cute. It's got no parabens, no mineral oil, no sulfates, no animal testing. Okay, so right off the bat, I already put this lotion, this beautiful lotion, on one of my arms off camera. I put some on my neck, I put some on my arm. First impression, it doesn't leave you feeling tacky at all. That's one of the things that I hate about body lotions is when you feel it and it's still like gummy. And the last product I will unfortunately not be using today, but this is a beautiful tone shampoo that actually matches this, which is super cute. It has Island Vibes, Pineapple, and
Plumeria.
But yeah, this is just a body wash. It flips up, and I'm gonna smell it. All I smell is sweet, sweet pineapple, so that's great. And yeah, that has been this VOXBOX. I'm still eating this. So final thoughts, this bar, it's amazing. It makes me feel like I'm eating like candy, but in a good way. Beautiful strawberry flavor, goes really well with coffee. This body lotion, amazing, not too sparkly, it's very moisturizing, it sinks in, doesn't leave any weird smell or any weird feeling. This astringent, amazing. I will definitely use this to get off all the stubborn bits of makeup. I didn't have a toner, so I'm very glad that I do now. Again, I'll be using this in the future, and it smells great. And this, I really enjoyed this. I didn't think that I would because I'm a little bit picky with glosses, but I could see myself putting on a little bit of this in between classes just because, you know, this is a great box for students. You've got your snacks, you've got something to keep your hair and your skin and your face fresh, keep your lips moisturized, and I definitely recommend that you check out the app if you haven't. It's literally free, it's so easy to sign up, there's nothing you have to do, and they send you cool stuff. So yeah, this was my first unboxing. Thanks for viewing. If you've watched till the end, I updated my banner, my channel banner. So I'm gonna leave all the information for the artist here. Thank you so much for doing that. So I will see you brats next time. Bye.